Welcome back. This time we're working on a 2014 to 2018 Toyota Tundra, and we are upgrading the tail lights. We are adding these badass new lights. They have a sequential turn light. They have a few different things going on here, and they're really easy to install. So let's get into it.
We start at the back of the truck by dropping the tailgate, where we'll find two bolts to remove just to the side of each tail light, just above the tailgate latch and just below the tailgate support cable. Then grab a tool with the right attachment and we can start to remove them. We can now remove the OEM tail light. There are 2 points on the side that are loosely holding the light. Take your time to carefully pull it out. These are the 2 points that force the tail light to be pulled out in this direction. Then it's just 3 clips to detach from the inside. Pliers can come in handy here if these clips prove to be stubborn. Repeat this process on the other side and we can install our new, sleek, sequential tail lights. This unique design is available in 3 different color types from our popular Renegade series of lights. The back is the same on all 3. And gives us an easy plug-and-play installation. These wires will only fit into the right plugs, so there's no worries on getting this part wrong. With all of the wires connected, it's now just a case of aligning the 2 loose points and pushing the new tail lights into place on each side. Then just re-screw the 2 OEM bolts on each side. Make sure everything is tight and secure. Now's a good time to remove the plastic sheet. And your new tail lights are done. Your Toyota Tundra will be looking awesome with the new sequential tail lights. No matter what color you pick, they'll all look sleek and impressive on your Toyota Beast. Congrats on a job well done.
And that wraps up the install on our brand new tail lights. Remember, these are for Toyota Tundras in the 2014 to 2018 models. Now these are going to be an awesome new upgrade, adding a sleek style, sequential turn signal lights. They're easy to install. Make sure you learn a lot, still take your time. We'll see you next time. Cheers.